The Rode VideoMic Me-L. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. This is the Rode VideoMic Me-L. If you use your iPhone or iPad to take video, whether you vlog, stream, or just for casual use, this microphone can enhance your audio in a big way. This is the new version that uses a lightning port. They have an older model that can be used with the audio jack as well. I've included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The microphone comes with a quick start guide, a clip to stabilize it, and the windscreen. This is a directional microphone for Apple devices. It comes with a 2-year warranty and has a headphone jack, and no batteries are required. This can be used with Apple devices that have the lightning port. The windscreen can be used outdoors on windy days to cut back on the noise, and as mentioned, the optional clip to provide more stability. I found that I did not need the clip and had enough support. I'm a big fan of Rode products, and this microphone doesn't disappoint. It is fairly small and well built. It's plastic construction with metal screens, and on the back you have a headphone jack so you can monitor the audio. Here you see the metal screen on the front. The Rode branding is on the top, and on the bottom you have the lightning connector. It comes in at about 3 inches in length and just a little over ½ inch in width. Attaching the microphone is simple. Just plug it into the lightning port. You can point it towards you or the other way depending on the type of video and how you want to capture your audio. One thing to note is that I had to remove my OtterBox case in order for the microphone to get seated properly. So if you have a thick case, that may pose an issue. Now let's take some simple audio samples outside. These are unedited audio, and hopefully you can hear and see some of the difference. So now I'm taking some video with the iPhone X. This is the microphone on the iPhone X. Again, I'm just at a local mall here, taking some video. And I will switch over to the Rode mic right now. Okay, I have the Rode mic attached to the iPhone X. So now this audio is with the Rode mic. This is outdoor footage with the Rode microphone on the iPhone X. Hopefully you can tell the difference. And I'm gonna flip it over so we can get some landscape shots. Okay, now I flip the camera on the iPhone X. This is just the microphone on the iPhone X. Just taking some shots here at the local mall. And I'll switch over to the Rode mic. Okay, this is now with the Rode mic attached to the iPhone X. I flipped the camera and just taking some shots at a local mall here. So we can compare and see the difference between the onboard mic on the iPhone versus the Rode mic. The Rode VideoMic Me-L. So you can definitely hear the difference with the built-in mic versus the Rode mic. What I've noticed is that it's really good in isolating the surrounding noise. It enhances the audio and has nice low tones. I didn't have the windscreen on in one of the footage, so you may have heard a bit of wind. I didn't realize it would be a windy day. But overall, this is definitely worth it if you want to take your audio to the next level. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care, everyone.